Windows are a vital element of any home, offering light, ventilation, and a view of the outside world. However, like all home features, they can sometimes develop problems, especially with the fluctuating climate in Gaithersburg, Maryland. The varying temperatures, high humidity levels, and the general wear and tear from daily use can all take a toll on windows. If you're a homeowner in Gaithersburg, understanding common window issues and how to fix them can help you maintain comfort and efficiency in your home. Here's a guide to some of the most frequent window problems and how to solve them. Drafty windows is a common issue many homeowners in Gaithersburg face as drafts, particularly during the colder months. Windows that allow drafts can lead to higher energy bills because your heating system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. How to fix it? Check the weather stripping. Over time, weather stripping can wear out, leading to drafts. Inspect the weather stripping around your windows and replace it if necessary. Use caulk. Gaps between the window frame and wall can also cause drafts. Sealing these gaps with a high-quality caulking material can help improve insulation. Install window insulator film. For an additional layer of protection, window insulator film is a great way to reduce heat loss and prevent drafts. Condensation between glass panes. Condensation between the panes of double or triple glazed windows is another problem that homeowners in Gaithersburg often encounter. This issue occurs when the seal around the window breaks, allowing moisture to get between the layers of glass, resulting in foggy windows. How to fix it? Replace the window unit. Unfortunately, once the seal is broken, there's no easy way to restore it. The window will need to be replaced, although some window repair companies can replace just the insulated glass unit, IGU, instead of the entire window frame, which may be more cost-effective. Prevent future issues. Regularly check your windows for signs of wear, especially around the seals. Consider upgrading to windows with better energy efficiency ratings if condensation issues persist. Rotted or damaged window frames. Moisture can damage the window frames, especially for older wooden windows. Wood can rot or warp over time, leading to structural issues and even air or water leaks. How to fix it? Inspect the frames regularly. Pay attention to any signs of rot or water damage. If the damage is minor, it might be possible to patch it with wood filler or epoxy. Replace the frame. For severe damage, it's best to replace the entire frame. Opt for weather-resistant materials such as vinyl or fiberglass for longer-lasting durability in Gaithersburg's varied climate. Regular maintenance. For wooden frames, regular painting and sealing can prevent moisture damage and extend the life of your windows. Sticking or jammed windows. Windows that are difficult to open or close are another common problem. This can be caused by a variety of issues such as dirt buildup, warped frames, or damaged hardware. How to fix it? Clean the tracks and hinges. Dirt and debris can accumulate in the window tracks, causing them to stick. Clean the tracks thoroughly and lubricate the moving parts with silicone spray. Inspect the frame. If the frame is warped due to moisture or age, it may need to be repaired or replaced. Check the hardware. Sometimes, the issue lies with damaged or worn-out hardware, such as springs or locks. These can often be replaced or repaired by a professional. Noise issues. Gaithersburg, being a growing city, has seen an increase in urban noise. If your windows are not adequately sealed or insulated, this external noise can seep into your home, disrupting your peace. How to fix it? Upgrade to double or triple pane windows. These types of windows offer better noise insulation and are especially beneficial in busy neighborhoods or near highways. Install acoustic curtains. If replacing windows isn't an option, acoustic curtains can help dampen outside noise, providing some relief from constant sound disturbances. Broken or cracked glass accidents can happen, and cracks or breaks in your window glass are a safety concern. In Gaithersburg, extreme temperature changes can also put stress on glass, leading to cracks. How to fix it? Replace the glass. If the crack is small, it may be repairable by a professional, but larger breaks or cracks usually require full glass replacement. Safety first. Always ensure the area is safe, especially if the break is in a large or frequently used window. Glass replacement is best handled by professionals to avoid injury. Conclusion. Whether it's drafts, condensation, or a more serious issue like broken glass, dealing with window problems promptly is essential for the comfort and safety of your home. By staying proactive with regular maintenance, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and avoid costly repairs. For persistent or complicated issues, don't hesitate to contact a professional window repair or replacement service in Gaithersburg to ensure your windows remain in top condition throughout the seasons.